Rainwater harvesting has gained traction globally, but some tiny villages lead the charge with ingenious rooftop systems, using locally sourced materials like bamboo gutters and clay filters. These setups capture rainfall for drinking, irrigation, and sanitation, mitigating water scarcity during droughts and improving hygiene and agricultural yields in underserved areas. Success stories abound, from Kenya's arid plains to Bangladesh's flood-prone deltas, showcasing how adaptable these systems are to diverse environmental challenges. What sets these efforts apart is community involvement. Villagers design, build, and maintain systems tailored to local needs, fostering ownership and sustainability. Rooftop rain harvesters prove that big ideas don't need big budgets, just determination and teamwork, turning simple solutions into transformative tools for rural communities worldwide.